pretty hyped because like Vietnamese people, but then we have like a lot of Filipinos.
Yeah.
There's a lot of like East African people, like
It's our lost tape.
Nigerian people.
Iranian food too?
Iranian.
Ooh,
Ethiopian
yum.
people. Next to that,
Why is the battery already 2 bars? Oh, Furry. You get down. There's the rainforest. Crispy bruschetta chicken and hot roast. Wow. Yeah, I dropped it and Jack's just straight going. Half this is just gonna be me zooming in on your face.
put this inside out.
Ready on 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday from all of us to you. We made it something special. We made it just for you. We hope you had a super fun, terrific day. So happy birthday from Rainforest. Go like, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you. Yay! Dig in, bro. We got spoons.
You can eat ice cream.
Gravel.
What the hell? It's a gum.
I was born in the rainforest. Did you know what a rainforest is? It's a wonderful place filled with lush plants, thick trees.
Her mouth is struggling to move.
Tracy does look kind of like she got cursed to be into a tree.
Over the world,
She's kind of accepted her
from
fate.
South America to the United Kingdom.
Like, I don't know if you played Fallout 3, the guy that's a tree.
Oh, Ray, that's a Ray question.
She looks like the guy that's stuck in the tree.
Oh.
document all of the lovely industrial machination I
but of
have.
course.
Well, fantastic. Welcome to Barnaby Incorporated, Clown Factorum, right this way. We specialize in entertainment products.
Hi, you want to be a clown? Come here, let me give you a shot.
Oh, goodness.
Here you go, and here's your boo-boo
Oh,
sticker. Bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I have your teeth?
Maybe later.
Maybe later. There's nothing on it.
Whoa!
Greetings.
That's a big eye.
It is. Better to see you with.
I see pretty clearly. I bet it does too. Nice camera!
Look, Mom, I'm on TV.
Howdy.
Hi. You're gonna come around? Or are you gonna stand around?
I'd love to come around.
Are you ready for the scariest thing in the world?
All right.
Scariest thing ever.
Better, worse than taxes?
Maybe it's gonna be reality.
Wrong one.
Chris, come on.
There we go. Damn, they go to you a week.
You're right here. The other guy
When you what? Yeah, sure. You're raggedy.
Okay, bye. I'll take a look in a sec, Jax. Guys, what'd you get?
You know, he's all ears. I got a little.
We pull it all the way out?
Okay.
Yeah, he's so cute. If you weren't gonna get them, I was gonna get them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Uncle Eric's got you covered.
He has all ears.
Nettie.
He's all ears.
That's cute.
What is the bloody disgusting? I don't even
Oh, that's way too close.
That's so random. That's the only Dario one that seems like that.
Really? Don't mind. Just gonna take a look at all the art here, some patches, stickers. You don't. Me too, man. Me too. picture of her with the phone. I'm gonna get video footage. Pez is gonna get your picture.
How many? You want me to use your phone or my phone?
Yay! I got one. It's just because it's a little bit closer up. Awesome.
You can unwrap it. It's okay. Okay, feel bad. Am I going to be able to read? Is it the same design on the inside?
Oh, or mostly. Sometimes, like that one's got the sun from the map in there. I was able to put it in the center, so it came out pretty cool.
I really like the blue side right now.
How much is it? It's only $30.
Ben and Frankenstein.
Oh, yeah, those are my favorites. I brought Slappy.
Oh my god, I really thought that was a baby. I just was like... There's a really nice glare right now on certain things, so it's like really fun.
They have a Sonic right here. I keep hearing the Power Rangers theme. I keep thinking it's my old ringtone. They have Darkwing Duck though.
They do.
Zach and Cody.
What do you do? Calling your goon.
Goon is actually a positive term.
It's been appropriated.
Where's the Nitty? Nitty, they have Twin Peaks. Yeah, right here.
How will we perform? But yeah.
And I saw it at in the Idol shop.
Yeah.
It was from Tormont.
Oh, sorry. Lord of the Rings. What?
Maybe that's what I'm money on. There's a really cool one.
Anymore, but you want to look through some stuff.
Yeah, I'm good.
Anybody can get it. COVID. But with that, I don't know shit. It was so sharp, I could slit my whole fucking throat. But it's so rich, I got more chips than my shoulders. And I'm about as approachable as a roach. And me and Dre like dog here.
Be nice.
Yeah, this is the most basic mental test. I don't mean that rude.
Well,